Last time we built a 2B 1.0, it was so slow because the tool was so weak. But this time we have, Hania, what we have it?
More cheap Chinese particles.
But it's much stronger, seriously.
Yeah, it's better.
Yeah, better,
sure.
yeah. Salam to Korea, good morning. We are back to side shop, but today is really exciting day because we are gonna start interior inside of TV finally. Last time we did was 4 years ago, like 2017. That was our first time to make the TV 1.0. If you guys didn't check it, later we are gonna put the link below. But anyways, today let's start it. Just organizing the tools behind me, and then this is the wood we purchased, and then Mark is talking with Omar and Eamon. I'm not sure because I haven't checked over there. Chickens love me whenever I'm talking. Oh, masking tape food. Okay, I forgot one thing. You need to bring the masking tape. So you guys were talking. I don't want to jump in the middle of topic.
Yeah.
So what was it going on?
Later when we make the roof, you know, we need the stain.
Yeah.
We couldn't find it, right?
Yeah, we only find a varnish or paint.
So they call it tint. Here. Yeah. So they
틴트라고?
said you can pick it up easily at the place that we went to yesterday.
시카?
Yeah,
And
those kind
Bricoma?
of places, right?
Oh, okay.
We can get them.
So we gotta say tint.
Yeah.
Wood tint.
Wood tint.
Okay.
And then we talked about the mounts on the roof. So I just wanted to get Omar's opinion.
Yeah.
If you're ever in Morocco and you need fiberglass work,
So Omar.
yeah, Omar's the
C'est
guy.
bon.
Yeah. I just wanted to get his opinion on me just gluing supports with epoxy or some kind of resin, or if I should fiberglass the whole thing. And he said, you know, of course, fiberglassing the whole thing is going to be stronger, and
Yeah.
it's obvious. But he also agrees that just gluing it with epoxy or resin will be fine.
Okay. So I brought the masking tape and
Thank
this
you.
one.
Yeah, perfect.
So just preparing.
Yeah. Did you tell them what we're doing already?
Yeah, just the
Okay.
front cabinet you drew pretty good.
Yeah. Definitely not square. This is why you get quality tools, right? I'm just worried about mixing stuff. I don't want to get sawdust on this stuff.
네, 수영하러 가야 될 것 같지 않아? Guys, we are ready to cut the wood, but here right next to us, Abdullah is working on the car too, and we don't want him to cover with sawdust and his work, so we are gonna wait. Perfect 90.
Right.
Alright. 왜 그거 안 해? 살람 알레쿰.
Okay.
Alright guys, I want to say almost done. This cabinet was easy actually. You guys can see the shape is really roundy, and we have to cut several times to fit it in there. It looks good, huh?
It's really good.
So rest of the job will be easier.
Easier than that, for sure.
Yeah. Okay, let's get back to work. Good morning, we are back to side shop. Today we were trying to figure out how we are gonna mount the furniture inside of the TV. You guys can see this block. This will be our mounting point, right?
That's right.
So this one you might see is quite thick. This is the 2 plywood. We glue it together, and there's another block, smaller one. So we screw it down and then sandwich like this. We didn't make the hole in the L beam. This is a hole. Originally, Said and Mohammed made it.
It was to screw in the metal roof.
Yeah, I
before.
think it's perfect for us because we don't need to, like drill it too. Our clamp doesn't work, so we are gonna do loving clamp. Now from here, we're gonna do kind of, what was the ghost movie?
Yeah.
Total we need a 9, so we are done with the 2. So 7, we need to go more. So we are gonna be kind of assembly line. Okay, let's do it.
소전 약술집엔 안 들려 다 괜찮아 보여 행복해 보여 나만 어지러워.
What is going on?
Check this out.
What is that? So we can see bread.
Got fish and bread.
Fish. 야, 생선 진짜 오랜만에 먹는다. 맞지?
Yeah.
아, cherry tomato tea. Should we eat? 열빙어처럼 먹는 거 아니가? 나 빵부터 먼저 먹을래. 빵 맛있어 보인다. 맛있어?
Yeah.
How was your lunch? 생선 대가리 반 남았다. 점심 완전 클리어 했습니다. 맛있게 잘 먹었어요.
Good.
It was good. It was delicious. 사이드가 점심을 오늘 줬어요. 몇 시인지도 모르겠다. 우리 몇 시까지 일하는지 모르겠는데 오늘 바베큐도 하는 것 같아가지고 준 것 같아, right? This will be a mounting point for us putting the sidewall and also later on the roof too.
Pretty solid.
Good.
That's good, huh?
서 있어 잊혀진 성 가운데
Salam TV crew, we are back to side shop and Mark is working on sanding around the roll bar because we have to put the roof and sidewall, and then that roll bar has a little bit of paint and kind of bumpy area, so Mark is sanding it so that it will be smooth. So alright, today we are gonna work on the van. 이렇게 가.
That's right. Yeah. There's no writing. This side should just slide in.
Guys, we just checked the leak test. 물 흐른다. You gotta pour more water. Oh yeah, it's leaking. Oh shit. What the? It is failed. And it's leaking again, so we decide to do on ourselves. We're not sure where it's like really problem, so we are gonna check it too. So anyways, the roof is temporarily set here too. So we are gonna move on to work on the side wall, and then later we are gonna do about the window. Good morning, we are back to side shop. You guys can see that finally I changed my t-shirts. I have
Finally.
yeah, right. We are gonna work on the side wall today, and then Mark measured here, and then he tracing off on the plywood outside, so he's gonna cut soon. When we were trying to put the side wall yesterday, and we found a little bit of problem, but it's not that much problem. So we are using the 7mm plywood for the side wall, but it wasn't bending that much as what we expected. So this bar was here before, and it doesn't push towards to this mounting point. So in the morning I just cut the one more plywood, small piece, just like glue it here together. So hopefully it will touch. And then you guys might see a little bit of differences right now. Here, window is gone. Mark, even you're just bending over not to be in the camera, you're in camera. So window is gone. Yesterday we did the leak test on the window second time, and then it didn't work out. We want to fix this problem right now, and then it is perfect stage to do it. So we decided to take all the window out and then redo the window. This window work will be on us, and we will try to figure it out how we are gonna mount it, and we talked about it last night, try to figure the things out. Yeah, we are gonna have a clear idea later. It's quite slow, it's not that fast what we expected, but eventually we are gonna catch up. Welcome, 마할라바. You're the front guy.
Yep.
Alright, got it.
Alright, let's try this, see if it
Ooh.
fits.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah, good. Are you good?
Yep.
We just sanded the side wall in the high top. It's quite smooth and we are ready to paint. And we choose paint color, look at this one. I hope it reminds you something. It's TV's old color outside. So we are gonna use a little bit in the interior. Yeah, I think it would be nice. 옛날 TV 1.0 버전에 조금씩은 TV 안에 넣어보려고 해요.
I think one pump should be enough.
Okay guys, we filled but the window. Mark came up the idea that the between the side roof and the window there is a gap because we didn't put the window in the flat surface. So we are gonna put this little thin plywood. Mark used a planer and then grind it and then make the shape. So we are gonna insert that one between the side high roof and the window. And then this need to be waterproof, so Mark is mixing the epoxy right now and then cover it up. Let's see. We are ready to put the window. And let me show you what Mark did. Mark cut this wood piece. It will be the frame inside of the window. You guys can see the window. Finally, let's see the window. And let me show you how we are gonna do it.
Guided, okay?
Yeah.
Lucy! How are you doing?
Good.
Is it fixed yet? Or not?
We are putting the silicone right now.
Yes.
We can test it 2 or 3 days later after this set, and we are gonna pour the water.
To test
Hopefully
it.
work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go.
진짜 무섭다. You pour everything?
Poured half the bottle.
It's not leaking.
Now leaking?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think it's good. I think it's good. Hey guys, sorry. Next one, I thought like I pressed the recording, but actually it didn't. Mark just tested with a tissue in here, and tissue is pretty dry. And the one thing, this camera is broken. So do you want to see, honey?
Yeah, what happened? Oh no.
Okay guys, windows are done. I think it passed the leak test and we are glad that this nightmare solved. So this is successful and we are gonna close today. And before we close the vlog, we want to say thank you to the viewers who watched this far. And then if you like the video, hit the like button and leave the comment. And also I want to do the special thanks to our Patreon members, also TV Crew membership and then PayPal contributor too. So see you next time, bye bye. I broke the camera.